Toes down, close your hair or put in the snap clips, the magnetic clips on the inside.
Straight back chasing, so intentional, it's all about patience. Novelty, novelty queens.
Now, this isn't my normal.
Welcome to my world where we make magic every day. Let me show you how we do on life's canvas. Don't stray. Sitting at my desk, paper scattered around.
Hey Queens Court, welcome back to my channel. I am Novelty and I am the owner of Novelty Queens Boutique, the owner and the founder. So on this channel, I do display all of my creativity. I show you guys a journey through my boutique, aka my small business diaries. I show you guys my creative process. Right now, I am currently doing market prep. It's my first ever market. Okay, so this is day 13th. This is day 13th of my market prep. My market prep vlog. I don't really know what I'm doing. To be honest, in terms of market prep, I do have a small idea of what I should be doing. My market is the end of next month. It's a Christmas market. The vlogs that I will be putting out is my documentation of my journey. I'm not going to be doing it daily. Probably like once or twice for the week. My goal is to do like maybe a day in the life of a market prep here and there, and then weekly updates of my process and, you know, what I have created and what I have finished, and if I'm even close, you know, that all of that good stuff. So that's what I plan on me doing. I do also plan to show you guys the products that I have purchased later on down as they, well, I'm not going to do it as they come. I'm going to wait till everything arrives, and also until I finish creating all the things I need to create, because I need to know if I need to order more or not. But with that being said, once all of that is sorted out, I will be showing you guys what I plan on bringing for the market in terms of decoratives and stands, all that good stuff. So today what we are going to be doing is I have to get the ball rolling in terms of the keychains. At the end of the market prep documentation, I do plan to show you everything all at once, but this will be obviously like later on down in November. But for now, I'm just showing you guys what it is that I'm doing each day, how I'm prepping for the market, things I am creating, and all of this good stuff. So today, for today's vlog, I am creating stocking keychains. I'm making some stocking keychains. So I'm going to show you guys the process of it. My goal for today is to create about 10 or 20 of them. That's the goal, 10 or 20 of them. If I can get the 20, then that means I will be finished with those for today and, you know, for the remainder of the session. After I create everything, there is going to be a vlog that I'll be doing in which I show you guys how I create packages, and I go through that process because I do need to create new packaging. Also doing lives. So if you guys want to ask anything, come on there. Meet and greet, say hello, and vibe out. Ask whatever questions you want to ask, and if I have your answers, 100% you'll get it. If not, I'll let you know that I straight up, I don't know. But regardless, this is it for this portion of this vlog. I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna get into the section where I'm creating. So I'll see you guys in a bit when I'm finished. So let's get right into it. Okay, as you can see outside the window, it is now nighttime. Let me pause this. Whew, it's been a day, but this is how much I was able to do so far. I didn't put the keychains or anything on them right now. And oh, this one. So this was the first one I did. I realized that it was bigger than I wanted it to have been. So I made them smaller. I like this size. So this is gonna be my stocking keychains. I was thinking of turning this and probably just doing like one and put in either closure here or put in the snap clips, the magnetic clips on the inside, and then just making this a little stocking purse. And let me know, yeah, you guys let me know in the comment section. And yeah, if I'm gonna do stocking purse, then I will still do the 20 of these. Then it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 of these. So I have 15 more to do of these, and then I'll meet my quota for that. And then my next vlog with these would be probably me assembling it, like putting on the keychains, the key rings, and packaging. So that might be the next vlog in regards to these ones. And yeah, probably the same with this. But let me know what you guys think, if I should turn this into, because there's a concept I came up with. As always, I always say some of my best creations were by accident. By accident. Actually, you know what, regardless, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I need to make a t-shirt with that. I'm gonna do it. I'm going to put the Velcro on it, the snaps, whatever they're called, the magnetic snaps, and I'm gonna turn this into a little wallet. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it into a little wallet. Actually, I think maybe I'll do but I don't know how that's gonna look. I was thinking of doing like a longer one so it comes over, but then I think I would have to low-key, I would have to make it, I don't know, I'll figure it out. But yeah, so this is what I got for tonight. Tomorrow I am going to complete it. Yeah, so this is all I'm going to be doing for tonight. And as I said before, like, I'm trying not to prolong it. I'm just trying to do like bits and pieces, like, you know, a little documentation, little bits and nibble of my journey. So this I am not going to finish. I'm going to finish these. I'm going to do as much as I can do for the remaining of the night. It is now 10:48. I'll probably do like 1 or 2 more and then call it a night. I have to get ready for bed soon. And then tomorrow I will finish it. Well, yeah, tomorrow I'm going to start early and see how much I can do between 9 and 5. So we'll see. Hopefully I could finish and get the 20 done. I should be able to do more than 5 tomorrow, because honestly, like, even though I woke up early and started the vlog early, like, there was a whole bunch of other stuff I had to do, so I didn't end up doing this till late, till like, I think I started this 5-ish, I think. 5 or 4, something like that. I'm not too certain. I don't want to tell a lie, but I did start late. So now that the day is done, and don't worry about it, at the end of everything, closer to, depending on when I get everything done, if it's like a 2 weeks before and I have everything done, then at that point in time I will show you guys the finished products of everything and what they look like. If not, then you know what I mean. But anyways, finishing that, and I started this this bag because you guys know I'm trying to do okay, so I finished the socks and I did this bag. It's not finished as yet, but this is what it looks like. It's very small. It's gonna be like a side bag. I'm doing the straps for it right now, but let me tell you, like, I don't know what's been happening. So I also started these, right? This one is for me. I was thinking of bringing these because, you know, like, it's gonna be like senior crowds, and I don't know, I love this type of stuff. I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna show you guys later on another vlog, like how it looks on the head. But the reason I'm showing this now is because, let me tell you, I started doing it. I finished it. I did the flowers, and this was, oh my gosh, whew, it was a lot. Learning to do the flowers, this was like the easiest part. But as I said, I put it on and I thought it was so plain. So I'm like, you know, I need to add something to it. I added these, and you guys know I had my little machine right here. Guys, tell me why the machine broke. And I thought that I figured it out, right? Because originally, when I noticed, like, you see how it's steep there, it had risen to the top, so just like a flat surface. And I figured out that this thing right here could be adjusted to tighten it, so I did that. But now, like, all the little parts for it, like, they keep bending, and I tried to do a hole, like, I tried to test it out on my shirt. Let me see if I can find the part, and all it did was put a hole in my shirt. So yeah, wait, where is it? I can't see. So all it did was this, it put a hole in my shirt. So it's officially broken. Now I have to definitely do a Google search and try to get it. So this is like, these expenses are like beyond me. And not only that, I don't know if this is a sign or I don't know what it is, but hold on. Yeah, so not only that, but while I was putting this on, because I wanted it to have two of them, right? Why this break? Why this break? But I do have another one. Haha. So joke's on you. Kinda. So I have another one. These white things here go to this one. I don't know where the white things for this one went. I actually have never used this, nor have I used this since I bought it. So now that I'm doing the purses, and I was like, I want these, let me draw it out. I don't know, like, the thing just snapped on me. And then this one, I remember I had another one. I found this one, but I need to find the white thing for this to make it work. And like I said, I have had it for, all these things I've had for like years. I've had years sitting down, so now I have to figure that out and figure out how I'm gonna do this. I really don't want to spend no more money on these type of things, though I'm gonna need it like eventually, but I don't want to get it in a hurry right now because I didn't budget for these things, like, you know what I mean? And on top of it, I don't know how this market is going to go, so who knows if I'm gonna make back what I spent or even anything, you know what I mean, to cover any form of cost or whatever the case is, because I don't know what to expect from this market. So with that being said, let's carry on with the rest of the vlog. But I just wanted to let you guys know, like, when I say, like, a lot of times, I remember even when I first started, like, these things used to happen with my vlogs. Like, I would create a vlog, edit it, like 3 hours worth, edit it down to like 45 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes, whatever, and the thing just deletes. And it's like, what the heck? And now this stuff, so I don't know. But anyway, we're still pushing, we still going. We ain't gonna let nothing, you know, hold us back. So let's get back into it. If you made it this far and you want to see the rest of my document search, my diaries, my market prep diaries, that's what I'm gonna call it. If you want to explore the rest of my market prep diaries, go ahead and check out the videos that I've already created thus far in regards to market prep. They have market prep on them. So you don't have to be digging through the archives. And you know, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, and share so you guys could be a part of the rest of this journey, you know? Okay. Now, again, I'm tired, so I'm gonna wrap it up. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for rocking with me as usual. See you in the next one. Bye.